Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook account without needing the password, email, or username. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or desktop. Make sure you're logged into an account that you'll use to report the profile you want to delete. Next, use the search bar at the top to locate the account in question. Once you've found it, go to their profile. Now, tap the three dots on the profile page. From the menu that appears, select Report Profile. Choose the option that says Pretending to be someone else, and then select Me as the person they are pretending to be. After that, submit the report and follow the prompts until you reach the end. Finally, tap on Done. Here's the important part. Ask your friends and family to report the same profile. When multiple people submit reports, Facebook is more likely to take action quickly. Keep in mind that this process might take a few days for Facebook to review and decide whether to disable or delete the account. And that's it. You now know how to delete a Facebook account without needing the login details. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.